What's up, y'all? What up, y'all? I'ma get it in, bruh. Alright. I usually don't stream on YouTube, but I think maybe there's more people over here in the music side. Twitch ain't really doing all that great. Uh, but yeah. I'll go back to Twitch eventually. Let's make it up the beat. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna try to talk and do this at the same time. I usually don't. I just make these beats. I just make these beats. Dawg. Alright. So, first things first. First things first. Alright, so one of the things I like to do is I do use MIDI input, and I change it up if I need to. Most of the time I need to, because I'm looking for a certain bounce when I make my beat. So the first thing I do, alright, this is what I do. 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 Okay. Go right here, document. I mean, this is my stuff. But I got that file moved. No bueno. No bueno. Alright, let me move this one file real quick. This is what I need. Cause I just try to save a bunch of, I try to clear out memory in the main drive. Still a whole lot of shit in here. But yeah, it's probably the OBS software. Some stuff I have to keep in here to use my beats. But anyway, let's move this one file. I'm gonna copy it. Let's throw it in here. Paste one folder. Alright, this is my MIDI. This is my MIDI patterns that I got off the internet, which I'm not against because it takes way too long trying to make something happen. And for me, I'm tired of that. I'm tired of doing it from scratch. Like I'm trying to record already, basically. So yeah, now I got that file in there. Let's do a refresh. And it's there, baby. Okay. So I'm gonna just put a random one, right? Open up your pattern box right here. That's how I do. A lot of people use this, the song editor, but I don't like that. I don't know. I don't like doing it that way. This is how I like doing it. But I do a lot of loops, stuff like that, right? So I put a little pattern up in here, and then I'll go over here, and then I'll put Carla Patch Bay. This is where I find all my VSTs and stuff. It's a different program that integrates with different DAW softwares, right? So then I'll put, I'll fix this screen, I'll put it over here. This is just a lot of extra space so you can make big modulation or whatever. I don't really do all that. I just open up VST. I just open up VSTs, right? Instrument, take that off. And then I'll go down here and I'm gonna pick something. I'ma pick something. Right? So I need more VSTs, honestly, but let's do it. This is good enough. So yeah, this program's uploaded. I throw my little output in here. Right. See. So it's looking a little different, but that's cool. Yeah, this is running a little smoother, honestly. Alright. Oh, you see me like double clicking it just to make it pop up, but it's there, it's in the back, but since this is different program, it's like, you know, individual a little bit, but it still integrates. I'm trying to look for something that's not gonna be like too crazy. So I go to keys, you know, I look for something, right? Something quick, and then I open up this, right? Double click that, bring this out, highlight, make sure I see there's bottom ones there, but I might save those for the base, right? So I'll just take that out, cut it, and then I'm gonna throw it in here. Throw it in here. Right. Next thing I do, so it's already tuned on A. Everything you do on this program is gonna be tuned to A right here. You can move it and it's gonna change, but you gotta do it for all, you know, all your stuff. If you're gonna change this, you gotta change it on all your stuff. This little white thing right here. See? So I think it is tuned in A, right? This melody and how I found that root note is it starts with A. But a lot of times you can get like F to work sometimes, right? So if I wanted to do it on F, right? Because it's main, like it's doing a lot in the F. Can do it in E probably. Let's try E. I kind of like that, but let's change the sound. We can go back over here and now I can just hit this. not gonna stop until I find something I like. That's pretty decent, right? So that right there could work, but I'm not set on it yet, right? It's just something that kind of works right now, right? So let me exit out of that. And then, I don't know if you guys can hear me. Can you guys hear me? Oh, nobody's even watching me, bro. I'm not famous yet. Anyways. So yeah, I got that one right there. And then, next thing I want to do is find the bass I'm gonna use, right? So, got a couple different 808 options or bass options. So I got these ones in here, right? A lot of times I don't use them. I used to use them a lot back in the day. Not so much anymore. So I would hit E. I don't really like that. So D could work with this melody, because to me, I like the way that sounds. I don't want to go like. Let me see, hold on. So it doesn't match up with D, right? So what I'm gonna do, but I like D. I like the D tone of that 808. But I'm gonna look right here. There is D's in here. D's right there. As long as you're using something that's in the melody, usually it works out, right? So, but I don't like those 808s. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give you the sauce right now. This is where I get my 808s and stuff like that. I'm gonna open up Vital. Vital's got my 808s in there. One of them should work. I like this one, it's just so clean. So I need to save them in here, honestly. But, oh, damn, I gotta move that folder too, bro. Dang it. Dang it. I mean, I could just pull it up from here, but it's not gonna load when I upload the program. What am I looking for? Oh, yeah. It's gonna be in documents. Okay, hold up. Wait a minute. Let me go back over here to my files. And then I'm gonna move a different folder right here, Vital Subpacks. Let's throw that over here. Copy here. Alright. Now I can figure out what I need right here. let's see. Let's see what this one's about. I don't know. Let's mess with it. So with the VST though, it's usually on its own root note. Like you can change it, but it should be on tune with whatever you're trying to do. Like you shouldn't have to change it. If you do, it's there, right? But so I'm gonna play this, right? And it's gonna slow down because the tempo is set on this one, right? A lot of MIDI files have their own tempo set, things like that. So it's gonna slow down, right? You're gonna see this jump from 140 to 100, because that's what this guy does. He does 100 BPM on all the MIDI files. So right, and then if you wanna change the tempo, you can delete this. You can go here and just cut, right? Or you can open it up and bring it up this way. But if you take it off, you could change it from up here, right? If you delete it. But I'm gonna leave it for now. Yeah, I do like the way D sounds on that one, on this melody. All right. Next thing I do is I loop it. I right click, set loop end here. Then I hit this, right? And then I can just keep, yeah, right? So you just do that like that. Alright, so it's clashing, right? You can hear that there's some like distortion or static. It's not the bass, it's just both of the sounds are going at the same time and they're not mixed. So it's gonna sound like that. It could be just the other VST. Let's find out real quick. Yeah, so both of them individually are not making that noise. I don't know if you can hear it or if it's just on my end, but both of them together, it is gonna make a difference. But since I got my own bass track, I'm just gonna go ahead and delete this. I don't know if I want to keep that, but that is on A sharp. But anyways, but it is on A and D, right? But I'm just gonna delete it. And then I'll get rid of that because it might be like this is what's causing it. So I'm gonna delete that. And I'm just going to save this since I got something started. You don't want to like the shit to crash, and you always want to save on this program. I'm not sure if there's automatic saving, but a lot of times when the program does crash, it'll ask to restore it, right? And then a lot of times I hit no because I always save. But if you're not saving like that, it's gonna upload something that was like automatically saved 10 minutes before. You could have done a lot of since that, but it sucks having to start over on something. When you get it sounding good, it's like, damn, I don't even remember what I did. You know what I mean? So a lot of times just save it. Save it all the time. Save it. Save it, save it, save it. I don't know what to call this. Let's just put on one. Let's just name it that. Yeah, so there's like a little sound, crackling sound in the back. It's just because both these are working together. But at the same time, I got a lot of programs open. I even got our door open. This is the one I use to record my vocals. And I can mix and master the track real good on that program, right? It's also free, only on Linux. Windows, you gotta pay like at least $10 or something like that. Still cheap, but yeah, I paid for it. So I got the latest version of our door. But yeah, so I got that going right. Also gonna have to move that folder too real quick. Dang it, man. I just moved all these folders. That way my system can run good. You know what I mean? Where is it at? What am I looking for? What the heck am I looking for? Okay, it's gonna be this one right here. Copy, paste. I'm just gonna paste it right here. Paste one folder. There. Now it's in there, baby. Right, so I'm gonna open this up. We're gonna refresh that. And then it should be in there. Bam. So this is where I keep my snare. And my stuff's all unorganized, but at least I know where the stuff's at. So I'm gonna open up that. Go to samples I own, gig. Yeah, I got pre-made stuff. But I usually don't use none of that. When they're made like that, you never know, right? meaty, at least you can change it up a little bit. But when you're getting samples like that, I tend to stay away from that because you don't want to upload a beat or make a song and somebody's like, "Oh, that's my sample. I'm gonna claim a copyright." I mean, there's a lot of tomfoolery going on with the music business. People even stealing other people's stuff, like it's crazy. But a lot of rappers act ignorant. They're like, "Oh, I gotta portray this image." No, I don't have to portray it. I am that image, ninja. But yeah, anyways. But anyways, I'm gonna take that beat. What that dude gonna do? What that dude gonna do? Right? So they are. But so now I got my snare, right? And you can make these individual, like I recommend that if you're new, just like separate everything. So I'm gonna show you right now. You hit right here plus new pattern, and then I go open and then I'll paste it. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, there it is. Okay. So I think I might have double pasted. Yeah. So you gotta watch out. Sometimes it will be the undo button stopped working. So lame. It's something they gotta fix at the developers when they release a new or fix problems. You have to re-download the program, but this still works phenomenally for me. It's free. Can't beat it. So I separated them, right? I got them separate. And I recommend this if you're new. Separate it. Right. And then I'm gonna hit it again, new pattern. And then I'm gonna do the snare. So usually the way I like them is on this one. That's another bug. Like when you stop, it goes back down. You have to like to see it again all the way, right? So now I got the snare, the bass. Let's look for the kick. Right? I think my kick is gonna be where's my kick, brother? Right here. That's one. That's another one. Let's try that one. New pattern. Then what you can do a lot of times is you can set it right here and drag it out right there, right? And then you can just play this and figure out where you wanna put on. left, right. The bass, I always keep it in the middle. Bass, always keep it in the middle. Well, for me anyway, I don't know. People got their own preferences. Right, kick. I'll put range and I'll put it on 6. And that just like makes it hit a little bit later, like slight. It's almost like the swing bar on FL Studio when you messed with the range. But if you do it like like this one, if I put it on 2, it like separates it a little bit, you know what I mean? Like that because it's working off of VST. So if you want to mess with the bass settings, well, this is another way right here. This is something I just like remembered. So this is the one that has the bass on it right here. You can go to rack and put in your effects here, and you can get like whatever, bro. Like you go back to effects, and then I'm gonna hit like hey, I'm gonna hit bass. See, and you can get like whatever settings you need. But I'm gonna see if I can find this one. Yeah, it's right here. Look, badass. I could do this on this one. I usually don't. See, it doesn't work on this one. Okay. Yeah, I never really use this right here. I wouldn't even mess with these settings right here because it's gonna mess up your bass sound. So what I usually do is I go like this. I'm gonna color code it, pick random, then I'm gonna hit assign to new track, so it pops up right here. And I don't know if you heard that, but it like separates a little bit. And I'll do that for every single thing. So pick random, assign, pick random, assign, pick random, assign, pick random, assign. Right? And you never know, you mess around like that all the time, you can come up with a badass hook for the track, you know? But that crackling noise in the back is very minimal now. But here, I'm gonna do this. No, hold on. Let me this one. So I'm looking at the bars right here, down here, and I'm so used to this that I know which sound is making the noise. So the pink one, I got the effects open right here, so I'm gonna try to, you know, make it not have that weird crackling noise in the back. So I'm gonna do this. Look. Ooh, I like that. kit, you can open up piano roll and start adding stuff. Like, you could change the snap notes. So if you want to get technical, you can do that, right? So I like that, but like the old school ways, right? So the old school ways, if you figure out the patterns, you can make like the off key, the off hits, like hold on, right here. Like that, you can make the off ones. You can even like go faster. Hit that 24. Like that. freedom of flowing you have, because it's so like, I don't know how to explain it, but to me it like restricts your style of trying to rap, in my opinion. You know what I mean? When you do stuff like that, you don't want to like have the hi-hats overpowering your vocals, or your vocals overpowering the hi-hats if they're going crazy. I like to keep mine simple, but yeah, that's just me. I'm trying to get out of that old way too, so I leave it like this a lot of times. But another thing you can do is the little rolly thing you got on your mouse. You you can do it like this. You can turn them down for the velocity, the volume of each note. You can just like that. Like if I roll it down, it'll go down. So right here. So it like makes another little bounce to the beat. Sure that's right. Otherwise, I'm gonna be like, what's going on? Something's off. Like, you gotta be aware of what you're doing a little bit. Because later on, you're gonna get this sounding kind of the way you want it. And then later, when you're trying to record, it's gonna be off. You're gonna be like, what the hell? Why is the hi-hat off right here? So a lot of times, you gotta make sure it's how you need it. So when you're ready to record, you don't have too much problems with your vocals trying to go over the beat. You know what I mean? And but yeah, bro. A lot of times too, I could key these notes, like make it to the correct note. Right, so that's the bass right there. I'm gonna go back to the bass. I mean the kick. That's the kick, so I'm gonna go back to the kick, right? Open piano, right? And then I'm gonna highlight all of them and put it on F. accidentally hit this and then like hit my previous project, and then it'll upload a whole new thing, and you're like, oh crap. But that's funny. It rarely happens, but it happens. But yeah, bro, this is like the simplest way I know how to make beats. This is how I make my beats right here. I use a little bit of MIDI files, and then I just slap some drums on it, and it's good. I mean, you can add more stuff. You know what I mean? I'm just trying to show the simple stuff. But down here, you got a lot of stuff from the stock, software. I used to use these a lot. But I mean, as you can tell, they're pretty cheap. But you throw effects on them, and you can make them sound like the modern stuff too. But it just takes a lot of work, takes a lot of patience. I used to do it a lot. Now I don't care for it. What I like to do is I like making the beats, taking them to the Ardor, which is this program, and then I'll, mix, master, and record on that. And it comes out way better. The beat sounds way better. Because I'm using plugins that don't work on here, as you saw. So this is just to make the beat, right? And kind of mix it. And then I'll take it over here and mix it, master it better, and then record on it. But that's it, guys. Like, can't beat this. This is free. This is free for all the rappers that I need a producer. You don't need a producer, bro. Don't need a producer, bro. Get your lazy ass on the computer and do it this way. This is the lazy way. I'm showing y'all the lazy way to do this. That's fast right there. You can make a hit off that beat. You know what I mean? Like, hey, hey, hey. Okay, yeah. Everybody wanna keep the music industry on that gay shit, on that Diddy what? I don't be messing with that. I don't be bending on that. I don't be. Hey, I used to hear the real gangsters talk about these games. I don't know what you've been told. I already know, I know. But the truth is, gay mafia win this. The gay mafia won that. Gay mafia won your mind. Gay mafia won you. Now I'm on my own too. Hey, I gotta fight what it is. I gotta fight back cause I ain't. But I don't know, bro. Yeah, bro, I honestly can't believe it. I can't believe Biggie was gay. I can't believe all these people that became famous were gay. Like, rappers, they're all gay. Like they're all gay. Like I don't know, bro. Like that's crazy. The devil is real. The devil is real. The devil is real. Yeah, bro, like that makes no sense to me. Like, poor French man, Montana, bro, they got him. They took his spirit and they beat it down. He wasn't with that shit. You could tell in his face he wasn't with that shit. But it's like, everybody who made it did some kind of gay shit. That just makes me believe that the devil is really out here, bro. Like, how did they win? Because back in the day, the straight motherfucker, dude, they were hardcore, but they weren't with that. I used to hear music of these dudes talking so badly about the famous guys because they knew that they were getting bent over like that. And I used to hear these guys rap hardcore, talking like, yeah, gay shit, like, y'all are some gang, like, dude. And that was some real rap, and I mean, that shit's long gone. Long gone. I don't know if anybody's gonna hear none, like, I don't hear none of that on Spotify. I hear, like, I used to type in anti-Illuminati rap, stuff like that. And it would come up, like, there'll be rappers going in on them, bro. Talking about how gay they are and how weak they are and shit like that. Like, it was going hard, like, but I don't hear none of that anymore. It's like, it's crazy to see the gay mafia won. You know what I mean? But it's through the media. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's all media, it's all influence, it's gatekeeping. You know what I mean? It's stupid, but like, like, I do believe people can make it off one song. You can make a good song, and you're gonna make it, and you're gonna blow up, and then you can get approached. Um, but if I ever made it, I know who I'd call, cause I ain't down with that. I'd be like, set me up the way you got set up, like financially, because screw those guys. Like, the music industry is not what people think, but it's a lot of gatekeeping, you know, wackos. I mean, to me that's whack. Why gatekeep? You know, why filter? Like, if a song's good enough, a song is good enough. It's not even about the music anymore. It's about all the money, bro. The artists out there don't even write their shit. They invest. It's a business. It's not even about the art anymore. It's about, oh, like, yeah, they're getting writers to write the best rhymes. Um, but where's the originality? You know what I mean? Where's the originality? And I think ever since all that shit came out, now people that are rapping, they can get up there, but I don't know, bro. That whole thing is, it's probably not just Diddy doing that shit. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. You gotta watch it back. It's like, it's they're really trying to, play you. They're really trying to play you, take your soul. But yeah, bro. This is how I make my beats. Hey, should I bust some flows? Should I know what I know about the music industry? I don't know. If it's not keeping, I don't know. If I should keep going, yeah, I gotta open up my eyes wide. Yeah, I already know Drake's lie. Yeah, I already know Drake's by. I don't give a damn what you wanna call yourself. I don't give a damn what your preference is. I don't give a damn what your body not live. Hey, 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 hey. Step up to the plate when I'm tryna get made, tryna get my money and they on my hand, tryna come up with that plan. Hey, I wish I can rap. Hey, I wish I can rap. It's like I got all the tools I need right here, but I don't have the rap game anymore like I used to. I used to be all about trying to bust flows. Now I don't care. I don't care all that much. But yeah, I use our door to mix and master the tracks. And this is the one I use just to make the beats. But you can't tell me that's not decent, bro. That shit sounds decent right now. And then from here, I throw it in here and the art door, and then it sounds even better. I'll show you an example right now. I'm gonna show you an example right now. Look, I'm gonna save that. Right? I'm gonna save that. Open up this. right? I'm gonna open up my last session. Why doesn't it show up, bro? Okay, now I'm gonna close. Hold on. There's gotta be a way. Right here. Go to home. No, it's not there. Okay. Documents should be in here. OMG, bro. OMG, bro. Come on, man. Where is it? Recently, right here, look. I'm just gonna open. Yeah, we'll see. Test. All right, there you go. All right, this is a beat. I mean, this is a track I was working on right here, but I'm gonna show you the beat and like the mixing power, the mixing and mastering power of this other software. Yes, it crashes, but it's because it's not like there's a lot of people. It's not like there's a lot of people working on the software. I mean, the more people buy it, the more it's gonna get worked on. But that's how open source works. But nevertheless, I don't care. FL Studio still crashes. I've seen Ableton still crash. I've seen these other softwares still crash. So it's not like you can get it right. You're never gonna get away from it. So it is what it is. You know what I mean? And right now there's a delay on my voice. That's why sometimes I get trapped up in my talking. And the way I usually fix that is I'll go to right here, look, setup, and I'll turn on the sample rate. And from there, it should work. There's a little bit of delay, but you turn it down more and it'll work better. But when you do that, your plugins and your beat is not gonna sound great. But when you turn it back up, the samples and the beat will sound better. That's just how it works. It's crazy. But yeah, I'm just gonna play the beat for y'all. Actually, no, I'm gonna play everything so nobody tries to steal my shit. Yeah. Everybody tryna win that game. Everybody tryna hit that lane. I don't know what you've been told, but I gotta know the truth. Ain't nobody really. Yeah. See these streets, they breed this seed. Loyalty, forgotten beat. Loyalty forgotten be. Yeah, the flesh is weak, but my will stays strong. Follow Christ, now I'll be doing what I do. I gotta live life, never stop till the day I drop. Hey, loyalty, a word thrown around, but it's really lacking flip-flop. It's faster than the weather vane. Father of Father, King of Kings. Hey, see these streets, they breed deceit. Loyalty forgotten beat. Traded for cloud, diamonds cheap, and heat gang signs flash, but loyalty's dashed. Trust is shattered but crashed. Loyalty to the game, a twisted fame. Hey, so eternally main, so eternally main. Yeah, loyalty ain't about the clout or fame. The Instagram post is about standing tall when the storms blow. Hey, holding it down through thick and thin. Up on unbreakable with Psalms 37:3 says, trusting in the Lord and do good, dwell in the land, enjoy safe pasture. Find your loyalty in the right place in God's grace. Not the fleeing chase of worldly gain. The loyalty's aim, betrayal's the same. Yeah, loyalty's a virtue, a rare pearl. Don't believe in nothing. I don't know what you've been told, but I believe in something. Proverbs 18:24 says, a man, many companions come in ruin. Hey, there's a friend that's closer than a brother. Hey, if you think you can shake me, I can never stay too prideful to let myself lose. It's after what is shown to me by Lord Jesus Christ. So yeah, right there, I mean, I'm gonna redo that, that rap. It's just something I did, trying to get something put together, and then I'll redo it, make it better. But yeah, bro, I like to get all the sounding right before I record, because it makes the recording a lot better. But that's how I do it, bro. Y'all need to get on it. But yeah, I'm gonna get off. I'm gonna get off for a little bit, and then I'll hop back on. I don't really know how to get more viewers, bro. How do I get more viewers on this? I'm just trying to show the knowledge I gain. Like, people should be able to do this shit for free, bro. Like, all these, program companies, I get it. They about the money. But music's like, I think music started off not about the money. The money comes later, you know? Like, they want people to be superstars from the beginning, like, pay all this money for VSTs, all this crap. I mean, producers, right? Like, producers will pay for all that stuff, which is cool if they're making money off of it. If you ain't making money off of it and you're paying for all this crap, you're stupid. You're stupid. Sorry to say, but you're stupid. If you're not getting money, if you're not making money from producing, you're stupid. As far as like paying for stuff, you don't need to pay for stuff. Like, learn it for real. Stop being like, oh, I need a VST that's gonna make the melody sound perfect and ready. If that's the case, are you really a producer? Are you really a producer? You're more like a DJ at that point. Like, I don't know. I don't mess with that stuff like that. I like to create them from my point of view, my perspective, and my effects. You know what I mean? But I'm gonna check y'all later, bro. I'm gonna get off for a little while. I'll probably record myself again on this track. But yeah, bro, I'm just trying to get more viewers, you know? I need people to get on with me. Let's build a community. Let's just work on some tracks together, you know what I mean? But hey, I'm gonna throw some chats in here just to get my analytics up, I guess. Let's see. Man, this thing is not been working right. All right, I'll catch y'all later, bro. If you got questions and stuff like that, you can get a lot of free plugins and free VSTs. Let me know. I'll make a video about it. All the stuff I got. Let me just quickly show you real quick. So just so you can see it, right? So let's say I want to put something like effects on it. So I'm gonna go right here, right click, new plugin, and these are the different creators of free VSTs, right? Look at all this. Look at all this. Bam! Look at all that. Look at all that. Why do you need to pay for stuff? Look at all that. That's open source free. There's another one right here. Bunch. You know what I mean? Like, stop paying for stuff, bro. I mean, there's a lot of stuff here free. You know what I mean? Like, stop paying for stuff. But it does take work to put Linux on a computer unless you get somebody to do it for you. But you never know. Like, to me, I like doing it so I know it's done right. A lot of times you can pull the USB out too quickly, and yeah, the OS software will work, but there'll be some things that don't work. So I had to learn that. I had to reinstall this software on the computer, like the whole thing, twice already on this new computer. Because the last time I did that, I pulled out the USB and restarted it too early. And when I did that, you know, the program, the whole software is just having issues. But yeah, man, y'all be easy. And yeah, let me know if you got questions. I'll try to help you and stuff like that, walk you through stuff. But I'm here to give knowledge before I'm gone, basically. But I'll catch y'all later, bro.